finished look of this wig. The name of this style is called Solana, and it's in the color Flamboyant Chocolate. I love the different shades of the brown. I did, as you guys saw, a little bit of plucking on the hairline. Only on this part though, because I didn't want to do edges. I hate doing edges. But overall, this wig is super cute. I love how long it is by my belly button, literally. This wig is also a 13x6 wig, so you have a lot of free parting to do any hairstyle that you would like to do. And I decided to do a half up, half down, and it looks really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this install. Stay tuned for more on Wigmas.